Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5067036 or KB5067931. Because of this error we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, the first step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Then find Windows Update, scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, try to update. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. For this you can go to Windows Update and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and once pause, resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it over here on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then run the third scan. So copy this command, paste it over here on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here write down the name of the update. Suppose if you are receiving error with this update, that is KB5067036 or this one, write down the name of the update over here, then click on search. Now on this page, first of all check your version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command, and here you can see version 25H2 in my case. Now check the system type, so open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. Over here you can see the system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5067036 and then run this file. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved, so click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once it is done, restart your computer, and when you go to Windows update history, you will see the repair version of version 25H2 or 24H2, whichever version you have. Once this is done, now you can update. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this Microsoft link in a browser. Here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then run the exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see accept option, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected, click on next. Select ISO file over here, click on next, and you can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish, And once you hit finish, let it close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Now you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next over here, click on accept, and then over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.